Uh, yeah.
Nowhere have this many cars been used in a caravan of thermal imaging. Wagons, ho! Okay, folks, let's see if we can find ourselves a squatch in these woods. Like old times, Bubba. It is, man. How many nights you think we had on this together? Yeah. When you plot all the sightings in northern Georgia, you see a connection with the Chattahoochee National Forest. That's where we think the Bigfoots spend a lot of their time. It's a great place to do our thermal caravan here because there's not too much underbrush. So the thermal imagers are able to see into the woods a lot further than they can in most areas. Seems like the Pacific Northwest up here with farmland, some big timber. It's looking good. It's feeling squatchy.